Hey everyone, John here with a little video showing you how you can ride the RTD-Denver rail line to get to the airport. It's a cheap and convenient way to get to Denver International for your flights. For just $10, you can hop on and ride all the way to the airport, which might be a good way to save some money on parking fees depending on how long your trip lasts. Parking is available at the train stations, so you can leave your car in the lots or garages during your trip. You can get a ticket at the kiosks at the stations, or buy rides on the RTD app. I use the N line to get from my home, and it runs north to south to and from Denver's Union Station, where you make a transfer to hop onto the airport line. I get on at the North Glen 112th station, and the trains run right on schedule, coming every 30 minutes or so from early morning to late at night. The first leg of my ride to the airport took about 26 minutes to get to Union Station, downtown. Along the way, the train fills up with riders at the various stops. Pretty soon you see the skyline coming into view, and shortly thereafter you reach Union Station. I've also made this trip to come downtown to watch Rockies baseball games. You can walk to Coors Field from Union Station in about 8 minutes. But on this day I was headed to DIA for a flight, so I hopped onto the airport line, which is the A line that runs more than 20 hours each day. As you pull out of the station, you crawl through the city and make your way east to the more rural areas. The ride takes about 37 minutes before the train pulls into the station right beneath the large Westin Airport Hotel on site. The whole process is easy to navigate. I hope this helps you if you're considering a rail trip to Denver Airport. Happy travels!